my god, I got accepted to university.
You got accepted.
I got a scholarship, full scholarship. I know, it's pretty fast, huh? And the line is long.
Yeah. The line is long, which is crazy. Like, it's so fast, but like McDonald's is super slow.
Yeah. They have coffee? Shit.
Look at the workers.
That sucks that we'll never be able to eat at the original.
Yeah. Maybe if we lived in the 50s. Look at them go. Look at them go. Okay, you guys, so today we came to In-N-Out. Max says that this is, no, not this one, but there's like a In-N-Out University, like right here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. What does that mean?
It's like a merch shop, and I think they train people there.
Yeah, they train people there. I thought it was funny because it reminded me of like
Monsters
Inc. University or whatever that is. Okay, so I got a hamburger and Max got a double, what is it called? Double? No, let me show them yours. You guys look. This is kind of crazy.
And this is right next to the original In-N-Out, first one ever.
Yeah, he's gonna show
the original one is a museum now. So you can't eat there anymore.
This is my hamburger.
And this is my hometown also.
His hometown.
Which is pretty cool.
And then I also got, oh yeah, we got the chiles. Oh, what the heck? They just gave 2 or 3. Look. I'm sorry, but what is this? Oh, you have those. There's more.
Oh, I have more.
And then I got the animal style. Yummy churro. I'm gonna get churro, you guys. I'm so excited. Look at that. Okay, let me take a picture. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Let me take a bite.
I'm gonna try.
I love onion. I love onion, you guys. So I usually don't have In-N-Out because I get a bad reaction. Like, my stomach does not like eating In-N-Out. Whoa. A lot of people hate on the fries here, the plain ones, but I like the plain ones. I don't care if they're like dry. I like them. It tastes very cheesy.
I feel like these are better for some reason. Because maybe this is like the original In-N-Out spot.
Whoa. Lately, I've been liking ketchup. I usually, like, before I wouldn't really care about ketchup. But
good. How is it?
Good. Yeah, pretty much I get chorro, you guys, when I have In-N-Out.
I feel like this area is such a big burger spot. Like, this is where In-N-Out started and Dino Burger.
That's true.
And
The burger is definitely better than the fries. I mean, the fries just have like American cheese on top. And some of the sauce. It's not like it tastes amazing.
man. Yeah. People say like, oh, like this place is better than In-N-Out. Like Five Guys. Like what are the big ones they compare to? Like Five Guys or something. We tried Shake Shack. That place was good, but
it's pricey.
It was very pricey,
but it's good. Let me just get one more bite. Yeah.
So, I mean, for the price, the quality of here, it's like you won't get anywhere else.
My last bite. Yeah. If you hate on In-N-Out, you're probably used to eating McDonald's. I understand.
This is so much better than McDonald's.
I understand if you don't like the fries, but like the burger is like good quality. Like it tastes fresh. Like it's fresh.
Also, I grew up here, so it's like
so Max,
I'm always gonna defend it.
Max feels like yeah, he has to defend his community, his burgers. since I'm trying to be skinny, I actually wanted a shake, like a strawberry one or a vanilla one, but no, cause skinny people just drink water.
Cheers.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One of these days, I told Max I want to eat inside of an In-N-Out. Maybe the one near the house. And I want to get the one that you got, the double. I want to get regular fries. I want to get a milkshake. That's what I'm gonna get next time.
Well, let's go to the.
Oh yeah, he wants to take me to the original, the real. Wait, what is it? The first In-N-Out ever, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god, the first In-N-Out ever. It's tiny. How would they make burgers there? Like, how is it possible? That's crazy. That's literally like a house for Lolo.